Hello everyone. Welcome to Advanced Real World Hacking with Practical Videos course. Let me help you go through some of the information about me and the course. Let's talk about me first. I'm a security enthusiast with more than 10 years of experience in information security domain. A successful InfoSec startup founder with its alliance in geographies like India, APAC and EMEA region. Having said that, I've worked for some of the top-notch information security companies, helping them improve security standards for their clients across the globe. I have a proven track record in information security community. And just to understand a few of my achievements, I've done responsible vulnerability disclosures for companies like NASA, TEDx, Forbes, and 100 others like that. Eventually, I'm a successful penetration tester, helping organizations improve security posture of their environment and product lines. Now let's talk about the course. Across the course, we'll be learning a variety of topics, starting from setting up the environment for client-side hacking. And moving forward, we'll be covering all the topics as you can see on the screen. Before moving ahead, I want to offer a sense of confidence to my learners before taking this course. I'm sure we all have experienced security challenges while browsing the internet. This course will give you an insight on how hackers target the naive users across the internet. The course will help you understand the different methodologies hackers employ to target these users. The course is for education and research purpose so that you can understand the different methodologies and protect yourself in future. I hope you will enjoy the course and learn something beneficial from this. Thank you for listening to me.